You all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with your newfound friends, the South American Sea Lion, Isis and Ira. And we hope even after you leave, you take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the seas. Sea lion cannot survive in a terrestrial environment, so let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to the survival of marine mammals.
Nakaabang lagi sa isla.
Nagata yung nakakainin eh, no?
We can learn more
Hindi agad ng price.
Gusto na lagi magkakainin.
Price
we are stewards of the planet, and thus we must do what we can to conserve and protect all the inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So what we have
Isa nakikinig eh.
and all of us here at Aquatica
Nakikinig siya sa
and
sinasabi.
Manila Ocean Parks, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you will come and visit us again soon. Take care and have a nice day.
Asan isa?
Okay din naman.
Okay, folks, before you leave, we have an announcement. If you would love to have your photos taken with one of our sea lion friends, just like our special guest Dito Wado, Miss Ira and Eulogies, you can post with them in a photo. You can have a kiss, a pat, and a flipper shake. So if you're interested, all you have to do is to avail one of these limited opportunities. Sign up with our staff here, Mr. Bishop and Miss Amara. So what are you waiting for, guys? Join us here in this program we call the Sea Lion Photo Encounter. And once again, take care and have a nice day. And hope to see you here.
Sign up ka?
Yay! Nagpalakpak.
Sa sign up ka?